In OneDesk, there's the concept of views. The views are shown on this panel on the left. Inside each application, you'll find a set of views. For example, I'm in the Tasks application, and right now I'm in the Tree view. The view that I'm in is reflected in the breadcrumbs at the top. So you can see that I'm in Tasks, I'm at the All Projects level, and I'm in the Tree view. At this level, I have 6 tasks. In your Views panel, you'll see a set of what we call system views. These are views that are in every OneDesk account and cannot be deleted or modified. Below that, you'll find your own custom views. These you can create, delete, and modify. Views are useful to do things like create a list of things assigned to you, things by priority, see tasks in the order that they were created, and so on. Let me walk you through the system views, and then I'll show you how to create your own views. The tree view at the top here shows all your tasks grouped in their hierarchy. So you can see portfolios, projects, tasks, and folders are all shown in this hierarchy. If you'd like to show your tasks without the hierarchy, you can select the flat view, and it will do just that. There's also a gantt view, which allows you to see your tasks on a timeline. You can drag and drop to schedule and plan your tasks here. A status board shows your tasks represented as cards. So you can grab a card and drag and drop it from one column to the next to change its status. We also have a calendar to show your tasks on a standard monthly calendar, and a dashboard view which shows you some handy charts and statistics about your tasks. Now you can also create your own views. These views listed down here are custom views. We've pre-created them for you, but you can delete them if you don't like them, modify them, or add new ones by creating your own. To do that, click this icon here. You need to choose a layout. So for example, I could choose a flat view. And as you can see in the background, my tasks list is updated to reflect the changes I make here. I may, for example, want to make a card view, or I may want to make a calendar, dashboard, or Gantt view. All these things can be added as custom views. For our example, I'm going to do a tree view, and what I'd like to do is to only show the high priority tasks. So I'm going to choose priority is more than 2 stars. You can see my view has been updated. And I'd like to group this by the status of those tasks. So I'm going to remove the existing grouping, and I'm going to add a grouping by status. You can see in the background that that has been updated. Let's take a look at that view and see if it's what I like. I can close this, and you may notice that now I'm in an unsaved view. This is because I've made a modification to the view. If I like it, I can just click Save here and retain it. But if I don't save it and I navigate away, it will be gone. Here, I don't like this folder. I'd like to hide it. I'm going to go back and edit my unsaved view. I'm going to uncheck the Show Folders. Now when I close it, I can see that in fact the folder has been removed. I like this view now. I'd like to use it in the future, so I'm going to save it. I could save it right here, but I can also have saved it directly from the bottom of this panel. To do that, you just click the Save, and it'll ask you to give it a name. I can also decide to share this view. This is a privilege restricted to administrators in your organization, and by doing this, you allow this view to appear in all the views lists of all the users in your organization. So administrators can place views across their entire organization. Non-administrators can only create views private to themselves. I'm going to do that. Click Save. My views list is updated, and you can see the new view has appeared right here. Now in the future, when I navigate away, new view is retained. When I go back, it applies the same view that I just created. An important thing to note is that some views filter out items. This is one such view, so you can see it's identified with this little filter tag in the breadcrumbs at the top. This lets you know that you're looking at a view that does not contain everything. The final thing I'd like to mention here is that each application has its own set of views. So we have different views in the help desk than we do in the tasks or in the timesheets or what have you. So you may notice that this list of views is different, and you'll probably want different views to look at your tasks than you would to look at your timesheets or to look at your tickets. That's all. If you have any questions about views, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can always chat with us by clicking on the bubble in the lower corner here. Thanks.